Oh, that's all straight.
Oh!
Look at these fucking shorts. Look at these fucking shorts. When do they stop?
Yeah, big ass cargo shorts today.
Hey team.
Yeah, you do look like Mark Zuckerberg, bro.
Does. You do. Blink. Keegan, in post, edit it so I blink sideways and have like a penis tongue. I mean, a forked tongue.
Have you seen that TikTok before?
Yeah. I have that exact screenshot actually on my phone.
Oh, I actually have that as a tattoo.
So when bitches are giving me head, I like to keep them entertained, you know?
Oh, okay.
Like as you're going up, go like this.
It's for our
You want to see this trick my grandpa taught me?
Your grandfather taught you that? Like,
Yeah, I just put a curse on you. You're gonna die tomorrow, you freak. The quiggly-eyed Joe.
And ready? And 3, 2, 1.
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Oh, you sing yourself. There, remember that, Joe.
Come on, get up, you fruity little bitch.
It's a Crip versus a Blood. Quit that, Joe. Take that.
Oh no!
Hit me. Wait, I got something. I got something. Dodge that, pussy.
And then, missile. Oh!
Customer.
What's up, man?
Customer. What?
Oh, baby, baby. La 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 la. Oh, baby, baby.
Yeah, let's go. Dude,
what would happen?
Do perfect, do perfect, do perfect.
Dude, what would happen?
Just to be cool for a second, bro. I can't get this.
Who do you think he is here? What?
Christian, can you edit this like it follows the ball and it shows like our intros like we work at like it's like Pawn Stars and it's like
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.